meter. I repeat, the medalist for under 18 female 800 meter. Bib number 252, Lamon Shishalingwa from Nongstoin District Sports Association. Bib number 33, Iba Dianghun from Assam from Shillong Sports Association. Bib number 302, Selviana K. Wanyang from Malkawa District Sports Association. I repeat, the medalist for under 18 female Sports Association. Bib number 325, Anja Kang Wanyang from Nongstoin District Sports Association. Bib number 258, Pinhul Puan from Nongstoin District Sports Association. Bib number 095, Sildaris Makri from Real 400 meter. Bib number 213, Krishan. Of Harshiri, the working president of MSOA and vice president of National Rifle Association of India, to kindly give away the
Six, 1, 2, 6, 12.
I repeat, this is a second call for 5,000 meter, about 23 years